Hi, I'm Charles, founder of Kindlybook. In this short video, I will walk you through what Kindlybook is, how it works, and how you can get started. Let's get right into it. Now, this is the Kindlybook website at kindlybook.com. So what is Kindlybook? Kindlybook is a free booking software. And I know when people see the word free, they are wondering, is it really free? The answer is yes, and I'll get to it shortly. But let's just do a quick overview of what Kindlybook is. So it's a free booking software for businesses in Nigeria. So you get a free booking page that your clients can use to book appointments easily and pay you instantly. I'll walk through this page so you can see some of the things you can learn about Kindlybook. You can see testimonials from some of our customers, and here are some of the features you get. A professional booking page where clients can see your services, your prices, your availability, and book easily. Your clients can pay upfront, so to reduce no-shows, you can charge upfront. You have a dashboard where you can manage all your bookings to see who booked, what time, what did they book for, and all of that. Your clients get SMS and email reminders, and we also remind you of their appointments. If you want to create discount codes and send to your clients to boost your sales, you can do that. Kindlybook also gives you insights into how your business is performing, how many bookings you've received within a particular time period. Who can use Kindlybook? Beauty businesses. So if you are a hair salon, nail tech, you do eyelashes, brows, makeup, you can definitely use Kindlybook. If you run a spa or you're a massage therapist, you can use Kindlybook. Coaches, consultants, and even interior designers use Kindlybook. Any business that involves setting appointments and receiving payments upfront, they can use Kindlybook. And these are examples of businesses that already use Kindlybook, and you can check their different booking pages. All right, now back to the issue of pricing. If we go to the pricing page, you see how it works. Kindlybook is free. Right, $0 per month or ₦0 per month. All features are included. You don't need to upgrade after a while. Okay, no subscription, no add-ons. And you might be wondering, why is it free? How do we make money? And we're very upfront about it. We charge a 6% processing fee, and I will explain how that works. We only make money when you make money. All right, so if, for instance, your service costs, say, 10,000 naira, and you're collecting 100% upfront, you can choose on Kindlybook if your client should bear the cost, this processing fee, or if your business should bear the cost. We have some customers where they don't really want their clients to pay any extra, so they choose that their own business will bear the cost. If that's the case, the client will pay 10,000 naira, we will get 600 naira, and 9,400 will be sent to your bank account. That's how it works. If, however, you decide that you want your client to bear the cost, the service is 10,000 naira, the client is going to pay 10,600 naira. We will receive 600 naira while you receive your full 10,000 naira. Okay, that's how we make money. All right, and it is capped at 3,000 naira. So even if your service is, say, 200,000 naira, for instance, we will only receive 3,000 naira. We don't charge more than 3,000 naira per appointment. So that's how it works. Okay, if you want more information about our pricing, you can see the answers here. Okay, so now that we've gotten pricing out of the way, let's get into how you can sign up for Kindlybook. Now I'm using my laptop, but everything I'm going to be showing you you can do on your phone. Kindlybook is mobile friendly. We don't have an app yet. We're working on that, but everything I'm doing on my laptop now, you can easily do it on your phone without issues. So how do you sign up? You just click any of these big buttons, says sign up. It takes you to this page. Now you enter, of course, your name. So I'm just going to enter mine. I'm just going to put an email. It's just a sample email. I'm going to put a sample phone number as well. And I'll create a password. And that's it. I'm going to save my password. Next is I'll enter the name of my business or my brand, right? So let's say it is KKD Salon. Then my username can just be KKD Salon without space. Now, type of business, let's say it's a barber shop. Okay, and I can choose if, for instance, I am running my business at a physical location, or it's an online service. Maybe I offer virtual consulting, or a mobile service. Maybe I offer home service, right? Kindlybook can work for any type of business. So, but I'm going to use physical location in this example. Now I'm going to add my address so that when clients book, they can get my address, right? So I'm going to say, put a random address here. Let's say it is 451 Ozumba Mbadiwe. Say VI Lagos. And then I'm done with this step. Okay, it looks like this username is already taken. Let's say KKD Cuts. All right. Next thing is to set my opening hours. If I want to make any modification, I can change it. If there's a day that I'm not available, let's say I'm not available on Mondays, I can just mark that as closed, and then I move to the next stage. Now this is where I add my services. So let's say adult cut. Let's say it takes 1 hour and I charge 20,000 for this. So just put the figures there, no comma, no text, just the figures, right? If I can add more services, I can say children's cut. Let's say for this one, it is also 1 hour and I charge 15,000 for this. Let's say 7.5. I can add more services, but I can always do that later, right? And I hit continue. Now, this is the last step. So it's asking me what percentage do I require from my clients. Let's say I want to take 100% upfront so that I don't have to be following up on clients for balance, right? And I can enter my bank account information. So I'm just going to say, let's say GT Bank. Okay, so it gets my account name and then I finish. Now it takes me straight into my dashboard. Again, remember you can do this directly on your phone. Now the most important thing here is this link, your booking link. So this is the link that you can now copy, put on your Instagram, send to your clients, that whenever they want to book your services, they can just use this link. But let me show you what it looks like when clients actually visit your booking link. So this is it, right? Within a few minutes, we've already created our booking page. They can see my services. If they want to book adult cut, they click on this. Next, they enter their preferred date and time. Continue. They enter their details. So let's say the name of the client is Afolabi Johnson. I'm just going to put a phone number here. And let's say just an example, and then I book. So what will happen now is that the client will be able to pay you through any of these payment methods. Our payments are processed by Paystack, right? So it's completely secure. Now the client can pay through card, transfer, bank, USSD, or even OPay. If they choose transfer, for instance, the bank account that they are going to see here is generated by Paystack. So even though it's not the same account that you added when you signed up, it's not a problem at all. The customer is going to send the money to this account, and then your own money will be sent to your own bank account in less than 6 hours, and most times it's in less than an hour even. All right, so If you see a different account number here, it's not a problem. It's Paystack that is generating this bank account. So the moment the customer pays, the booking is going to show right here in your dashboard. Okay, so that's how Kindlybook works. Now I'm going to show you some other things that you can do within your dashboard. You can add more services under the services page. You can add team members to your account, and you can configure other settings. So you can update your settings, add your business logo, update your opening hours, set discount codes, update your booking settings. You can update your payout settings. You can also create a booking policy for your business. So this has been a quick overview of Kindlybook. You've seen what Kindlybook is, how it works, and how easy it is for you to get started. We look forward to having you on board.